Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about ADCB Touchpoints Titanium and Gold Credit Card Review. So first, what is ADCB Touchpoints Titanium and Gold Credit Cards? It is tailored for individuals seeking a reward-centric credit card with a variety of lifestyle benefits. And here are some of its key features. First is the Touchpoints Reward Program. Cardholders earn up to 0.5 touch point for every 1 AED spent on retail purchases. Additionally, a bonus of 5,000 touch points is awarded when monthly spending reaches 5,000 AED. Accumulated touch points can be redeemed for shopping vouchers, airline tickets, utility bill payments, and more. And another one is VOX Cinemas offer. Enjoy a buy one get one free deal on movie tickets up to 2 tickets per month at VOX Cinemas for 2D standard and 2D Max standard formats. Next is the dining discounts. Benefit from discounts of up to 25% at over 1,400 restaurants across the UAE when paying with the ADCB Touchpoints Gold or Titanium credit card. Next is the Airport Lounge Access. The Touchpoints Titanium credit card offers unlimited complimentary access to over 10 MasterCard airport lounges globally. To utilize this benefit, cardholders must register their card on the MasterCard Travel Pass app and present the app's QR code at participating lounges. Next is for the car control or car rental discounts. Touchpoints Gold Visa card holders receive up to 20% off on car rentals worldwide through Avis along with enrollment in the Avis Preferred Plus membership. Lastly is for the supplementary benefits. Touchpoints features like the card control through the ADCB app allow users to manage transactions and set spending limits. Additionally, cardholders can access cash advances against their available credit limit with low interest rates and flexible payment options. Now, some of its pros are there are no annual fee, a comprehensive rewards program with versatile redemption options, and attractive lifestyle benefits including dining discount and cinema offers. Some of its cons are foreign currency transactions incur a fee of 2.89%, and certain benefits like car rental discounts are exclusive to specific card variants. And that's basically it.